Hello guys, my name is Pravi Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, do follow a forum backlink on this site. So this site name is vivo.com. So I guess everyone familiar about this site. So now we can going to create our do follow backlink on this community platform, Vivo community platform. So if you are in the tech industry, so this is a very relevant backlink for you. So now we can start. Before that, we can research something about that site. So because according to HRF, the domain rating is 81, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 77, and the spam score is only 5%. So and according to SimilarWeb, this website having a 278.5k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from France, Spain, India, Mexico, Argentina, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. So now we can start. First thing, you can click on the top of the right corner. There is a profile icon, and there is a sign in and the registration. So you can click on this, and you can click on the Vivo account password sign in. There is two options. You can create directly through your Gmail ID. Either you can create manually with login password, and there is a create Vivo account. So you can click on this, and there is two options. You can proceed with your phone number or your email ID. So I can proceed with email. So there you can add your email address and you can choose your password, and after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the next button and acknowledge. If you are 18-year-old, so you can click on the S, and this site will send you a verification OTP, so you can check your email box, Gmail box. Yeah, so I received, and this is the OTP, and you can click on the done button. So you can see our profile is successfully created. Once you can acknowledge the terms and condition, privacy policy. So our account is successfully created. So first you can click on this, and you can click on the new tab, and you can click on the edit button. So first we can update our profile. So you guys will upload your profile picture, and you can click on this. So our profile picture is successfully updated, and in the bio section you can add your brand name. So brand name are your main target keyword. So digital marketing training, achieve your goals with. Okay, so the character limit is 60. So digital marketing training, you can add your brand name, and you can click on the confirm button. So you can see our profile is successfully updated, and where is our tag. After that you can come back to your main previous page. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And there is a new thread button, so you can click on this, and from there you can add your threads. So like I can go to create thread for my email submission sites, top 100 plus verified email submission sites list. So let me put it over there. So the character limit is sites list. Okay, BML training. So let me add this. And if you're wanting to insert your website URL any respective your targeted keyword, so first you can select your keyword. So suppose that my targeted keyword is image submission, best image submission websites. So this is my targeted keyword, and I can copy my website URL, and you can add your website, and you can click on the confirm button. After that you can click on the publish button, click on the confirm, and your thread is successfully submitted. So this is for the this is under moderation. So once your thread will be going to approve, you are able to found your live landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So today we have created a very high quality forum backlink on the repetitive website. So this is a process for the backlinking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys kind of wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys kind of wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.